Jeremy, we have this whole wagon pulled apart. Could you walk me through what you're working on today?
Yes, this whole hatch was falling down when the car showed up. Come to find out that this hydraulic lift cylinder for the automatic opening fits on a ball stud there. That's a new one. The old one was rusted out so much that part of it was missing. We replaced the ball stud, but it was still popping off. Come to find out, this socket in here had rusted so much that that little ring in there had degraded. Won't hold on to the ball securely anymore. So unfortunately, I have to replace the whole cylinder. Which means take headliner out, take all of this trim out, and get to the hydraulic cylinder that lives in this compartment here. Disconnect the lines and snake them out through around the body. There we are. I'm about to get the old cylinder out. Thankfully, this customer wanted to get his headlining redone at the time, so we have someone outside that's redoing the headlining for him, which saves me some work because the headlining was already out. Still had to get all this apart. Hoping I can get the new cylinder in before he's done with the headlining, which is what I'm about to go and do.
Awesome. Thanks, Jeremy.
Certainly.